Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. My friend Jill is a Vietnamese American. She loves noodle soups, and she had it every morning for breakfast. She told me that that is what her parents will make for her when she was a kid. And I come to like this as well. And the wonderful thing about this noodle dish is that you can make it in less than 5 minutes. And it's great for use up some leftovers. As long as you have some noodles available in the refrigerator and also some leftover, and then you are good to go. It is great when you say come home late and you just want to have a nice warm meal very quickly. It is great to create a wonderful soup base using my masala dabba. I have 7 different seasoning agents in my masala dabba, and I use them to depend on how I feel like. With this 7 different seasoning agents, I can create an excellent soup base. In fact, I actually make it up slightly different each time. And it is wonderful to have all the 7 different seasoning agents available all at one time. And next, I'm going to season the dish with some soy sauce. And then I'm just going to put in a tiny drop of sesame oil. Now, sesame oil is pretty strong, so don't put in too much unless you really like it. You actually will be surprised. This simple combination creates an excellent soup. And next, I'm going to add some chopped scallion, which will give the soup an extra flavor. And it also provides some interesting texture. I'm going to use about 1½ cup of angel hair pasta noodles. I have already had them prepped in advance and ready in my refrigerator. I'm going to use some boiling water to warm up the noodles. I'm also going to pour some hot water to my bowl to create the soup. All I need to do is to have the noodle warm enough so when I add to the soup, it will not be too cold. This is super fast and convenient. I appreciate that Jill showed me how to do this. I next use a strainer to transfer the noodles to my bowl. Jill told me that when she grew up, she used to have rice noodles. She then discovered angel hair pasta noodles work almost as well. She said that it is more readily available and also it is cheaper. It looks like I need more water to create more of a soup. As you can see, this is very convenient. It is almost just like instant noodles. Of course, you can have the noodle just the way it is, but it would be very nice if I are able to put some leftover on it. Jill told me that that is exactly what her parents would do for their breakfast. They would simply use up whatever leftover they have from the previous night. Here's a dish that I cooked earlier with chicken and several different kinds of vegetables. I'm just going to relate it directly over the noodles. And for one person, this noodle soup is a perfect meal. As you can see here, it really takes only about 5 minutes to put everything together. And of course, you can vary the type of noodles that you are going to use. And in here, I use the angel hair pasta. But sometimes I will use rice noodles, or I will use Cantonese egg noodles. And at times, I will use the Korean sweet potato noodles as well. And therefore, most of the time during the week, I will have about 2 different kinds of noodles already prepped in the refrigerator, ready to be used. And finally, I'm going to garnish the dish with a little bit of scallion. I find this dish actually is quite filling because of the soup and the noodles. And furthermore, I got to eat a lot of wonderful vegetables. If you enjoy ramen noodles, you will enjoy this very much. And besides, it is so quick and easy. I encourage you to give this a try. If you enjoyed this video, click like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.